The internet is everywhere. It's in our homes, workplaces, and even in the deepest of forests.
We believe in long-term thinking. As a result, Dagcoin and its community are significantly large. Our ultimate goal is to be everywhere, just like the internet.
Everyone who's connected to the internet, and that means more than 2.5 billion people, has access to a DAG wallet. Exchanging various currencies for DAGs is very simple. You can do it either by using a regular currency exchange or a person-to-person trading platform.
You can use DAGs in most places you would typically use regular money. As an employee, you can have your salary paid in DAGs. Overseas workers can use DAG wallet to send DAGs to the family members. If you are an entrepreneur, you can pay salary for your employees, or you can pay the invoices to your vendors using DAGs.
There's no need to exchange DAGs for other currencies. DAGs will be accepted all over the world.
Everyone, including businesses, can track their money movement digitally. As a result, everyone has a functional credit history, which is necessary, for example, when they're applying for a loan.
DAGs are not only for the business world. In addition to entrepreneurs who use DAGs for international trades, travelers can use DAGs in other countries when on the go. Farmers can sell their crops over the internet using DAGs as payment. And residents of underdeveloped areas can go about their daily business using DAGs.
As shown, DAGs are multifunctional, just like our current money is, but they're also quick to use. And that is an advantage point on its own in this fast-paced world.
For example, when ordering from abroad, the DAGs reach merchants instantly, making the whole delivery process fast. To understand the extent of how useful DAGs actually are, let's imagine the following scenario. There's an unfortunate accident, and the victim is rushed to the hospital. People close to the victim use the digital money to pay for the surgery. It reaches the hospital's account instantly, and therefore, no unnecessary delays occur, and the operation can begin. There are also other useful perks worth mentioning. Let's have a look. As an entrepreneur, you can be 100% sure that no customer will ever ask for a credit card refund, because with DAGs, it simply cannot be done. It's very safe. When your wallet gets lost or stolen, the cash inside is gone forever, and credit cards will most likely be charged. But with a crypto wallet, thanks to the secure passwords, no one can access your money. Plus, you can restore your wallet in another device with no extra effort. People living in rural areas don't need to walk long distances to banks or ATMs only to find out that it's closed, out of order, or out of money. Instead, the Dagcoin web wallet can be accessed from any device with internet access. Even if there is one computer in a village, every person can access their wallet from that computer and do their necessary transactions. There are no ridiculous fees for deposits, withdrawals, or transfers. And you won't be questioned about the origin of your money or what you're planning to do with it, as every transaction is stored digitally.
The current financial system based on fiat money hurts people who are not financially secured and have lower educational level. People still are collecting money under their beds, and because of inflation, the money is worth less and less as the time goes on.
Fixed deposits and conservative investment funds with low interest rates are no better. Banks know how to use your money and make a profit from it, whereas regular people like you and I are pushed to give all our money to them, and that makes the banks even stronger. With crypto, our money is secure, And what's most important, no one can devalue it by issuing more payment units or coins. Cryptocurrency is solid because it minimizes political risks. People use DAGs globally. Even if there's an issue in one country, it doesn't affect the bigger picture. DAG Wallet gives you an easy option to identify yourself with your Know Your Customer or KYC form. It provides the government a much better demographic understanding and allows them to send financial support and welfare money to those in need.
The bottom line is that money is meant to be easily usable regardless of the country's development level.
The DAG-based financial system is transparent. It helps to collect more taxes and turn economy white so that both private and public sector will work well with each other.
Transparency means avoiding corruption in the public sector as well as in the governments themselves. As a result, people feel better paying taxes as the money will end up where it's most needed. Financially connecting the world has a massive impact on the global economy. Thanks to a livelier economy, business will grow substantially. As an example, transportation and courier services will improve, and the administrative costs will decrease considerably. No more counterfeiting, meaning no more money going into prevention either. As an additional benefit, investors and potential startups can connect easier, so business ideas will be realized faster than ever.
All of what you've just heard can, will, and must happen. But it will only happen if we all act on it. Spread the word and talk tirelessly about the real benefits of cryptocurrency. Together, we will build a better future for the world. Join the revolution.